Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you could set up Apollo.io in order to download unlimited emails with the help of our Google Chrome extension, which is MSB Easy Scraper. So let's go ahead and click on the search bar on Apollo.io. First of all, before you do anything, make sure that you have a proper layout. So go ahead and create a new layout. You could just go ahead and click on this icon, and you'll have an option to select any layout. So let me create a new layout and then name this as okay. Once you have the layout, go ahead and select all the related fields you wanted in the contact. So for example, you'll go ahead and select contacts and select email address. And let's say you want also, you want to state also, you could just select that and make sure that you have phone number, email, and other details which are required. So once you do that, click on next and give it a name. Okay. You could just go ahead and create a new layout. Once the layout is created, you have a proper place where you could find your email addresses. So now you'll have to find out the targeted audience. So let me go ahead and click the put the keyword which I wanted. Let's say, for example, real estate, and let's say I wanted to choose from India. I could enter locations here, and I could also go ahead and select any other filters I wanted. So once I'm done selecting the filters, I would be able to see the contacts in here, but I won't be able to see email address because that email address is is blocked here. But in order to see the email addresses, you could just go ahead and select all the leads and move the leads to a new list. So I have already created a list. You could go ahead and click on this icon and select any list you wanted to add. So I have already created a list here. I could just go ahead and select the list. Otherwise, if you want to create a new list, I could just type new and select new. So let me go ahead and click on save. Now you could see all the leads are moved to the new list. So I could go ahead and click on saved lists. And I have this new list here. You could see I've got 25 records in this new list. So I could just go ahead and click on new list. Now you could see all those leads which I have selected are moved to this particular list. And if you scroll towards the left side, you'd be able to see their phone numbers and other information which was hidden previously. Now it is time for you to go ahead and click on this extension. So once you click on this extension, you'll be able to see all the leads which are there in this particular page. Let me go ahead and click on this extension again. You could see now you found a list of 25 contacts in one page. Let's say I want to have more contacts, then I could simply add more leads to this list. So let me go back and add more lists so that you understand how it's done. So I could just go ahead and click on people. Let's say, for example, I want to add this 25 people. I could just go ahead and select here, click on apply selection, and click on this drop down box which says list, add to list, and select the list which you want, where you wanted to save the data. So once you click on save, automatically all the leads would be moved to this new list, and you would be able to see those lists under saved list. Once you click on save list, click on this new. Now I have like 50 contacts in here. So once this page is loaded, I could simply click on this extension and it will automatically find all my contacts. Let me refresh the sheet once. Maybe it's not loaded properly. There we go. Now I've got like 50 contacts here. I could just give it a name. Let's say test and then click on scrape. So as soon as I click on scrape, automatically this extension will find all the email addresses, phone numbers, names, etc. available on this particular page and put that in this format. So you could just check if this works fine and then click on download CSV. And once you do that, you would be able to see the downloaded file with all the data inside a CSV. So this is how you would be able to use Apollo.io in order to download your contacts. You would be able to find their first names, last names, company, location, phone number, keywords, email, and also city. So let me know if you have any questions in downloading this list. If you are getting stuck anywhere, please do go ahead and comment on this video so that I would be able to help you out with that issue.